What up guys, it's AB back here with another video on Honest Judgment, and this time I'm going to be unboxing this new Canon EOS RP mirrorless full frame camera. Now this is awesome. So I've been shooting all these YouTube videos on a 70D, which is a crop sensor, and it's kind of old now, and I've been wanting to upgrade to a full frame camera, you know, for my stills photography and my new video content. And I've been looking at a lot of videos of the R and RP, and for the RP, it's been getting a lot of hate because a lot of the professional videographers or big YouTubers saying like, oh, it's cropped 4K and there's no 24 frames a second for 4K and 1080p and all that. And you know, for me, this is perfectly fine. You know, I'm going to be upgrading to a full frame camera now, and it's mirrorless, and you know, I've been following Canon for a while. I love Canon, and they just released some new, you know, RF lenses and all that. And then but yeah, so this is a full frame camera, $1,300, and it's crazy. At Best Buy right now, I don't know if it's like everywhere that they're doing this, but at my Best Buy, they were doing the EOS RP and the mount adapter for your old EF lenses. And then it also comes with the battery, or not a battery grip, but the EOS RP has a grip that you could use to make it feel bigger. But they were sold out at my Best Buy, so the guy said like, oh, we could still ship it to you and it's still free. So they're gonna ship that to me in a few days, and but I got the lens adapter so I could start shooting right away. I picked up this I had to pay for. It's an extra battery because it's a different battery than all my other Canons. But yeah, it's usually like $68 or something, but on their website it's like $54. But yeah, so it's cool that, you know, this typically is $100 by itself right here, the adapter, and the grip is $80 by itself. But I basically got like almost $200 for free. And then I just paid, you know, the $13.99 or $12.99 for this. It's still an expensive camera for me, but you know what? I'm excited. It's full frame, mirrorless, and it's like, I want to see what the all shindig is. But yeah, let's just get into it. So, yeah. So here's the box, the EOS RP. It does have a big brother or big sister, the EOS R, and this one's like just like the entry level of full frame mirrorless for Canon. And I think the price is amazing, you know, for what it does. It tells you right here what it does. Does it tell you? Oh no, it just tells you what it comes with. But yeah, so it's a 26.2 megapixel camera, and it's basically the same sensor as the 6D Mark II. I was gonna get the 6D Mark II before, and that's something I really wanted to get. But then this came out, and I was like, you know what? I want to see how good Canon's RF lenses are going to be and all that. I'm excited. So here's some paperwork, a huge manual in like 3 different languages. And then here is the battery charger. And then here's the battery. It's so small because I'm used to, you know, what are these called? The EP6s or something? LPE6. So I'm used to these, but like, look at how big of a difference that is. It's like twice the size. But so yeah, you can see that was just paperwork, and it's plastic up here. It's kind of weird how it's plastic, but it feels nice. Usually it's like a, you know, just cardboard or whatever. So it's a pretty empty box. I'm assuming this is where the kit lens is. You could get the kit lens, which is there's 2 versions of it. The one with the mount adapter, and it's a 24-105 STM. And then there's the L lens, which is the USM. So it's just basically the camera body and the strap. Nothing else in there. It's a nice strap, but I don't really like repping my, you know, camera. I don't want people to know what I have or whatever. Especially because I travel. I just came back from Russia and Japan a few months ago. I tried to vlog it, but Russia's really hard to vlog in, man. Wow, here it is. Wow. You know, this does feel really nice. I thought it was going to be so much smaller. But I have pretty big hands, but it could fit, you know, my whole 4 fingers. but it does come with a grip that's gonna be make it like maybe a half an inch bigger, maybe a centimeter, I don't know. But oh, this looks so nice. Just look at that. Let's check it out. Ooh, look at that. That full frame mirrorless goodness right there. Damn. So this is pretty light. I wonder if Canon charged it a little bit. Probably not, but let's check it out. So I'm guessing, I read online or I've seen videos that this is the same battery as the Rebel series, and well, the new Rebel series, and it goes in this way. And then I do have a SD card, so this is only a one card slot, so I have the 128 gigs. Alright, does this turn on? It does have a vari-angle screen, which is really nice. Oh, I'm so excited. This is actually does feel good in the hands. Wow, I thought it was going to be too small, but it feels great. Alright, the on-off. Ooh, it does have batteries. Or some batteries, some juice. London. I am not from London. But, oh man, this is awesome. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to just try this out. And, oh man. What is this? I'm not... I'll set that up later. But the battery's almost dying, obviously, but this is awesome. I'm gonna turn this on off real fast because let's open the mount. So here we have the mount right here, the adapter, and what this does, it mounts your old EF lenses, even EFS, which is like the crop sensor lenses and the full frame lenses from, you know, the actual DSLRs. So it comes with paperwork, and then it comes with the lens mount itself. Let's just toss that by the side. And it looks like it comes in a case. So here's the case, or a pouch. This is a pretty nice pouch. I'd probably put this in my camera bag or something. And then here we go. Oh, this is pretty hefty too. Some nice plastic right there. Canon back plate and everything. So let's actually put this on. So let's see. So that's that part. Take this part for the camera, and then ooh, it's like a real tight. It's very tight. It felt like I was scratching it. It's pretty weird. But yeah, let's mount one of my lenses. So right here I have the 17 to 35 L lens. I know it's older. A lot of people have the 16 to 35. But yeah, let's just mount this on. This is a full frame lens. You know, this does not feel too bad. So let's turn it back on again. We'll deal with that later. But wow, full frame goodness. That's awesome. Oh wow, this is sweet. I'm actually surprised on how comfortable this feels. I mean, it's not too, I mean, it's a little bit like lens heavy, obviously, but you know, it looks nice, it feels nice, and I'm really excited. I can't wait to take stills. Maybe I'll do a review if you guys want to see it or something, see how it is. But this feels actually really good, and I can't wait till the grip comes. The grip's gonna make it a little bit bigger, so it like feels a little bit more comfortable in the hand, and it's not a battery grip like how you think. The grip just makes it feel like bigger. And that's it. That's about it. It's just like an extender for the camera, but this feels amazing. I mean, like, it has a headphone jack, surprisingly, the 70D, and didn't have one. And I'm excited. Like, it just looks beautiful. I mean, I'm so excited. I love this thing already. Wow. But yeah, that was an unboxing of the new EOS RP. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, so I forgot to do this earlier, but let me just throw this in real fast. So here's the Canon, EOS RP. And then just a size difference I want to show you. Here's my T2i, and look how, like, it's actually a little bit bigger than the T2i, but not by much, as you can see. It's not that much bigger. But here's the 5D Mark II. It's like huge compared to it. But honestly, with how small it is, it's not, feeling bad in the hand. It actually is really comfortable. It feels really nice. This is the 50 1.4 that I have it on right now, adapted. And it's funny because here's my smartphone. I have the Galaxy S9, and just look, my phone is wider than this thing. That's pretty funny. But yeah, I just wanted to show a size comparison of the 5D Mark II, the Canon T2i, and then the EOS RP. And I could tell I'm already gonna love this thing. I mean, not only is it because it has so many autofocusing points and it shoots 1080, with the flip screen, great for vlogging for me. I'm not a professional cinematographer, but this is amazing. I'm excited. I love my full frame 5D. I just wanted to upgrade it because of the higher ISO, and I wanted to try mirrorless because those new lenses look so beast. I mean, those, like, the new announced ones, they look amazing, but the only downfall is, like, they're like 2 to 3 grand. But one day, man, if, like, the RF lens mount is the new, future towards Canon. But I'm excited. So this is like my little entry into mirrorless, but I am so excited for this thing. I can't wait till my grip comes. I'm gonna start taking this to work and just like take photos of like the secret garden that I have at my work and like on my lunch break and stuff. Like, oh man, I'm so excited. I know a lot of people were hating on it, but for an amateur photographer that likes to shoot, portraits and like shoot live music and stuff, this, I'm so excited. Like a new camera for me. Damn. Like 2019, February 27th, this is the day it's recorded on. But yeah, for sure. Now, this time, I'll see you guys in the next video.